She's got her scissors. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back, and today I have another unboxing for you. This is a fun bag that I wasn't expecting to get, however, I found it on sale. It's in a more affordable price point, so I'm very curious. I want to see it. I want to see how it compares to my Prada crystal bag. I'm just excited to get into it. I make videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, so please remember to hit subscribe below and ring my bell so we can become best friends here on the internet. Okay guys, I have another fun unboxing. I'm actually pretty excited to bust into this bag. If you saw, I had bought the terry cloth Prada bag, the tote, and I had another bag that was on the way. So I'm so excited to open this up. I found this bag on, I think it's called Sitar or Sitar. This is a site where you're able to get new items. Usually they're at a discounted price. I believe this comes from Europe. I did get it DHL. It came super fast. I got it in like 3 days, free shipping, all this stuff. And this particular item usually retails over $400. This is the Cult Gaia bag. And I was able to get this for under $370. It was like, I think it was basically $369, $368. And the price has since gone up, but they do have a different color version of this bag at that similar price. So I'll make sure to put it down below, but let's just get into it because I'm curious. I want to see what it looks like. I want to see at the price point it's at. So I have reviewed about 2 Cult Gaia bags on my channel. I did get the Arc bag. I had the smaller version of that bag. Very cute bag. It was very affordable. I think it was like under $120. I also have rented one of the Cult Gaia bags that had the strap. So I do like these bags because they're very unique. They're very boho, but they're also very trendy. So it's not something I want to pay full price for. I know that's something I want to get on sale. So let's open it up right here. So here is the bag. Oh my goodness, it looks gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, I'm so excited. I've been into glitter. Like when we went over like trends that are happening for this year, like the glitter trend was happening and I was like, I'm on that. Okay. So this is the Cult Gaia logo black clutch. And guys, like it is beautiful. There are rhinestones all over this thing. And I got this bag for under $370. Usually retails, I believe, a little over $400 for this bag. Oh my goodness, let's open it up. Now it isn't a very structured bag. So we have this in here. It kind of gets this cool like slouch to it, which I liked. I like that part of the bag. So we have, looks like our, yep, all of our cards and information and dust bag is in there. Oh, that's weird. There's just like this. So there's like, I'm not quite sure. I guess that's what this like lac is on, but there's this like one little bit of material that is in this. And I'm like, that's why I was like looking at it weird. It doesn't have anything written on it like Cult Gaia or anything. It must be like a weight. Oh yeah. So this little material is for the bottom of the bag. I think it's supposed to help with this shape, this sag that it gets. That's interesting because I wasn't expecting just at the bottom of the bag to be this random piece of leather because I haven't seen any reviews on it. So the inside, it does have Cult Gaia in there. This strap here is knotted, but you do have like the rhinestones all over it. So what do I think? Do I think these are secure, guys? I don't know. I mean, these do feel really secure. Am I concerned that they're gonna fall out at some point? Yeah, of course. I mean, I feel like time will tell with something like this, but look how cool this looks, like this sag effect. So I'm excited to put things in it because I know it'll get distorted, but I just thought this was so cute. Let's check the zipper out. Yeah, that zipper is actually like butter, guys. So what do we think of this color? I love this pink. As you know, I have my Prada bag that I got, and there's other bags that have this trend with the glitter, but this was one of the most affordable designer bags that I found. You also have clips here, so you could probably put like a strap with it. You could probably put like a chain strap. So that's ideas I had for this one as well. Let's go over the dimensions of this bag. So the height of this bag is 6 inches, but I guess that's if you like would flatten it out. Again, it's going to kind of do a sag to it. And then the length of the bag is 11 inches and the depth is like 1/4 inch, but of course it's going to open up. I am noticing right away, we look at quality, I do have a loose stitch right here that I see. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera. So I am noticing that like that's easily going to be cut off, but obviously that's just something to note with the bag. Like anytime I get in a bag, I like to look through it and thoroughly examine it. So maybe that means the stitch is going to be loose. I don't know. Time will tell. And this is also a bag I'm not going to wear all the time. However, I just think it's super cute to rock. And I just love how I'm like staring at it in the light right now. Ooh, I love glitter. Okay, let's put some things in the bag and see how it looks on us. So let's start out with the biggest item. And yes, definitely your cell phone would fit in this bag, just easily based on the length and width. So we started out and we put the pouch in the bag that does fit. I don't think I would wear this with my pouch, but I like to see like all the stuff I can fit. Card case, that fits in there. Because this is like the stuff I wear like every day. We have our, yep, that fits in it. And our keys. So let's see if we can zip that up. But basically I got everything that I carry like on a normal basis in the bag. Let's see if we can zip it up. And it zips up. But you can notice like when you have it stuffed to the max, you kind of lose that slouch, but I don't think it looks bad when it opens up like that. I am digging this. Guys, I am digging this. Let's try it on. So it does fit as a shoulder bag right here. It does fit like that. You can do like what I did with the Prada. I'm gonna do a proper comparison with my Prada crystal bag too. Here it is, just like, you know, crook of the arm. Also, you can just do it like top handle. I'll probably be wearing it like this, but it's nice to know you could just like throw it on your shoulder, but this is probably how I'll be wearing it, just like this. The rhinestones aren't uncomfortable. I thought like having rhinestones up here would be uncomfortable, but the way they're placed, it's pretty flat. So let's look at close-up of the bag. So again, I did see right here, there was a loose stitch, and I see another one right there. So that makes me a little nervous that, you know, I might lose some rhinestones after a while. Here is it. You have the Cult Gaia here, and then you have the hardware here, and this is where you could attach like a strap to it if you wanted a gold strap to wear. But oh my goodness, super beautiful. Again, you would unzip it. The zipper is super easy, and I could fit everything I need in this bag here. It even unzipped. See, I love this slouch, so I would probably wear it without this pouch. So let's take the pouch out, and there you go. Like, this is the part of the bag that I absolutely fell in love with. Like, I seriously love the slouch that is this bag right here. And I'll do a proper comparison with my Prada. I just want to admire and enjoy this one for right now. Okay guys, what do you think of this bag, guys? I think this gets the Jess approval. I mean, for this bag being all crystals, guys, like this is all crystals. They are sewed in. I do think that some crystals are gonna fall off. Is it gonna be a big deal? Is it gonna be noticeable? I don't think so, but I do notice some loose stitching and things on here, where my Prada crystal bag, I didn't see any loose stitching. It seemed like they were sewed in really, really well. So I do have a feeling that at some point we are going to be losing some crystals, but for the price point that this bag is, and the fact that you can find them on sale under $400, I'm going to put links down here. So this pink one, I do think the red one is still on sale. They do have one, they think they call it the white color, but basically it's like a silver color, but the pink I was drawn to. I just think that looks the most beautiful. And guys, I have to tell you that I did post this bag before I got this bag on the rental site to see if like people like this bag. The rental site also helps me see like what trend bags are in, and would anyone be interested in renting this bag? That also feel like that's gonna help me think if I should keep it or not. Will I make money on this bag? Guys, I already have this bag rented out, and it's gonna be going out in the next week or two, which is crazy. So before I even got the bag, I've already made some money on the bag because I paid this bag with some rental money that I got this past month. So what do I think? Yeah, I think this is beautiful. I think if you love the sparkle trend like I do and you don't want to spend tons of money, but you want quality, like you want to have high quality, you want to get a bag that is beautiful, but then when you're done with it, you'll be able to sell it and also get some money back on it, I recommend this Cult Gaia bag right here. Okay guys, that is everything. Let me know what you think of this bag. Is it something you would consider? I mean, guys, I was so excited when I saw that I got on sale, and I'm also looking at the Cult Gaia clutch that has the fringe. It's almost like, I guess, a straw type material, but it's a clutch that you put your hand in. They also have a sparkle version of that. So I've been looking for those. So if I find those on sale, I think it's something that I might take the plunge on because I just think they're absolutely beautiful bags. They're not super high branding, and I feel like these bags will be something that I want to reach for even after the sparkle trend is over. So let me know what you think of Cult Gaia. I think I'm liking the stuff they're coming out with again. I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye guys.